Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. If you are looking for high quality cutting boards, let me show you the ones I got here by TRAKZA. These bamboo cutting board sets by TRAKZA has made cooking so much easier and enjoyable. These are made of bamboo, which is sustainable and odorless. I also like that there's 3 of them, so I can use one for meat, for vegetable, and fruits. You're going to see that these cutting boards have a smooth, soft surface that are super gentle on your knives as well. I love how they are designed. It has the deep grooves by the edges that will help you catch any juice or grease. I also like that it comes with this board stand that allows you to always have your boards organized in your kitchen. This bamboo set is beautiful. It comes beautifully packaged. The bamboo is high quality. Not only is this great for cutting, but it can also be used as a serving tray. I highly recommend them. These cutting boards are functional and well made, and that is my point of view.